It's totally natural that you want to know about your new follower, and you should not feel wrong about this. And for some reason, you may not want to follow them back, so how can you see their profile picture in a larger aspect? Our brand new TikTok profile picture size is just what you need. Especially if your account is private, it's completely normal to check the profile picture of someone's account to make sure if they're someone you know or worthy of keeping around. We all know that people use their best picture as a profile picture to honor their social media account. Hence, it's a useful method to check their profile pictures first and then consider the rest. This method also becomes handy in saving you from wasting time on the people you would never give a chance. The same can be taught for the opposing person too. Nobody needs to waste their time, shallow or not, different people have their priorities.